Hey, fellow travelers! Welcome back to the channel where we make your journey smoother, smarter, and more fun. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest travel topics, maximizing your carry-on and avoiding those pesky checked baggage fees. If you're ready to travel like a pro without spending a dime on extra luggage, stick around. Alright, let's kick things off with fun trivia. Did you know that American Airlines first introduced the idea of charging for checked baggage in 2008? Yep, it's true. Ever since, travelers like us have been finding creative ways to pack smarter and lighter. So let's dive into the essentials you must pack in your carry-on to ensure a smooth trip and avoid those fees. First, let's discuss the golden rule of carry-on packing. Prioritize your essentials. Remember, you have limited space, so every item should earn its place. Here's a breakdown of what you absolutely need to bring. Start with your clothing. The key here is versatility and layering. Think mix and match pieces that can be worn in multiple ways. Choose neutral colors and lightweight fabrics. Pack 2 pairs of pants or skirts and 3 to 4 tops. Aim for items that can be dressed up or down. A light sweater, a scarf, and a compact rain jacket are lifesavers for changing weather. Undergarments and socks. Pack enough for your trip, plus a couple of extras. Pro tip: roll them up and tuck them into your shoes to save space. Sleepwear. 1 set of comfortable sleepwear. Remember, hotels usually provide robes. Next, let's tackle toiletries. TSA restrictions mean you need to be strategic. Opt for travel-sized versions of your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Or, get reusable silicone bottles to fill with your own products. Consider solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and lotion bars. These save space and avoid the liquid limit. Essential toiletries: toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and a small brush or comb. Ladies, if you're into makeup, pack only the essentials. A compact, multi-use palette is your best friend. Technology is non-negotiable, especially if you're working remotely or just want to stay entertained. Bring a laptop or tablet, phone, and chargers for all your devices. Don't forget a power bank. You never know when you'll find an outlet. Noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for flights. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Download your favorite movies, books, or podcasts before you leave. Wi-Fi isn't always reliable on flights. Keeping your important documents and money safe is crucial. Here's what you need to bring: passport and ID. Keep these in an easily accessible but secure pocket. A slim travel wallet or money belt to keep your cash, cards, and important documents organized. Print out a copy of your travel insurance details. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now let's talk health and safety. It's always better to be prepared. Pack any prescription meds in their original containers. Bring a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and other essentials. Stay safe by packing a small bottle of hand sanitizer and a few masks. Stay hydrated by bringing a collapsible water bottle. Many airports have refill stations now. Long flights can be exhausting, so ensure you're comfortable and well-fed. Pack nuts, dried fruit, and granola bars. Airport food can be expensive and not always healthy. A neck pillow, eye mask, and a light blanket or shawl can make all the difference on a long flight. Now that we know what to pack, let's talk about how to pack it. These tips will help you maximize space and stay organized. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Use compression bags to squeeze out air and make more room for other items. Packing cubes are a game changer. They keep your items organized and easy to find. Ready for some next-level packing hacks? Here are a few tricks that will blow your mind. Wear your heaviest shoes and jacket on the plane. This saves space in your carry-on. Stuff socks, underwear, and small items into your shoes and hat. Every bit of space counts. Pack items that serve multiple purposes, like a scarf that can double as a blanket or a sarong that can be used as a beach towel or dress. Lastly, let's ensure you avoid surprises at the airport. Different airlines have different size and weight limits for carry-ons. Check these before you pack. Use a portable luggage scale to ensure your bag meets the weight requirements. Bring a lightweight foldable bag for any souvenirs or items you pick up during your trip. And there you have it, folks. These tips and tricks allow you to maximize your carry-on, avoid checked baggage fees, and travel like a pro. Remember, the key is to pack smart, light, and only what you need. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome travel hacks. Safe travels and happy packing. Until next time, keep exploring and making the most of every journey. Bye!